This is Lesson 8, Identifying Proportional and Non-Proportional Relationships in Graphs. Today's exploratory challenge is an extension of Lesson 5. You'll be working in groups to create a table and graph to identify whether the two quantities are proportional to each other. Basically, in class, we worked in groups and picked envelopes to see what we were going to get. So I am going to use group 1. So it says a local yogurt shop is known for its monster sundaes to be shared by a group. The ratios represent the number of toppings to the total cost of the toppings. Create a table and then graph and explain if the quantities are proportional to each other. So for example, the problem. So we're going to write out the problem first. So it says a local frozen yogurt shop is known for its monster sundaes to be shared by a group. Okay. And we are going to create a table. And then graph. And explain. If the quantities are proportional. So the first thing we have to do is create a table. So the table I'm going to create, make it a different color. Let's see, let's do blue. So the two quantities that I am comparing are toppings to total cost. So toppings to total cost. Because remember, that's our y value. This is our x, because remember, cost always goes on top. So down below is our ratios. So we have four toppings, don't cost anything. The next thing that we have is 6 toppings, costs us $3. Then we have 8 toppings, costs us $6. Then we have the total cost of 10 toppings will cost $9. And the total of 12 costs us $12. So the next thing I have to do is I have to graph it. So we're going to use a different color here. So let's use brown. Okay, so I have to draw my lines. So we're going to draw brown here and here So we have our toppings here. And we have our total cost here. So for toppings, we have to go up to 12. So I am going to go one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for the cost, we have to go up to 12. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now for my points, I'm going to make them red. So now we have 4 toppings will cost us 0, which is right here. Then we have 6 cost us 3, which is right here. Then 8 will be 6, which is right here. 8 and 6 is right here. 10 and 9 is right here. And then 12 and 12 is right here. So the last thing is, and I am going to use black, it says, is it proportional or not? And we have to explain. Well, it's not proportional. The line is not straight. And does not go through the origin. Oh, and I'm going to have to change that, guys. The line actually is straight. I put the point wrong. So let me erase that point and put in the proper one. Okay, point is right here and 12. There we go. All right. So no, though the line is straight, it does not go through the origin. And that ends the lesson for today.